Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about sunscreen, stains on clothes and everywhere, and self-tanner. How do you get those stains out, not only on your clothes but on your body? So let's start over here with sunscreen. Now, these are regular sunscreen products. So the way we're going to take out stains on those is, first of all, we're going to take a little baking soda and we're going to just sprinkle it on. And then we're going to let that soak even overnight. Then you'll take a brush it in really well, and then brush it off. When you're done, squirt on some liquid dish soap. Let that sit too. When you're done with that, soak it in a little detergent and water, and then you can launder as usual. Now, if you have tanning products that contain Avobenzone, and you look on the back to find out if it's in there, that turns basically into a rust stain when it's on fabrics, just like this is right here. So you can't take it out with soap, and if you touch it with soap, you'll set it in. What you have to do instead is treat that like a rust stain. So you can take lemon juice, squirt it all over it, and put salt on it, leave it for 24 hours, and it should be gone. Or you can use a rust remover. Now, this is a safer one, and it works on all rust stains in many areas, and I really like it, and that's Whink, W-H-I-N-K, Rust Remover. But now let's talk about self-tanning. Many of us know we're self-tanning. We get it on towels, we get it on the washcloths, we get it on everything. How do we get that out? If it happens and you see it immediately, flush it with water, and then use just some liquid dish soap. Put it in water and put a good squirt in, and then soak that in there. And don't be afraid to soak it for even overnight. When you're done, wring it out. If you still have a light stain, you want to use an oxygen bleach. Don't use chlorine bleach, or it will set that stain in. Then, if you even still have a stain, you can put some hydrogen peroxide on it to remove it. And now I want to talk quickly about how do you get that self-tan off your body when maybe you didn't do the best job you could, or it's just starting to look bad and you want to get it off and put on some fresh. A couple things you can do. First of all, for overall body, you can use a scrub of baking soda and water. You can also use baking soda and lemon juice, and you can use on small areas like fingers and toes and things, you can use a whitening toothpaste. But something I found that works really good is this Model Company Tan Remover Exfoliator, and you work this in and it basically removes that self-tanner so you don't look like you made a mess at all. Now, I've put links for some of this stuff on my website at queenofclean.com. Check me out on Facebook at Real Queen of Clean and Instagram Real Queen of Clean. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.